Pili Panganiban, 20 years old, from Pagkilatang, Batangas City. I earned my degree in Bachelor of Instrumentation and Control Technology in Batangas State University, Alangilan. Hiring me is like getting all-in-one package. I'm capable of calibrating and programming. But also tasks in other areas such as designing and installing. I consider myself as a team leader that can do job excellently alone. So, if you're interested in hiring me, just connect at my mobile number or Gmail account. And together, we'll all get things done.